Which plant is ideal for your garden? Every green thumb, weekend warrior, and new homeowner has asked it at some point, and today we are answering it in a way you never heard before. Whether you are in deep shadow, full sun, or somewhere in between, this video will completely change your perspective on gardening. So hit that like, subscribe, and get ready to dig in literally. I moved into a house a few years back with only minimum grass. I desired beauty. I hoped for shade. I desired something inexpensive. Most of all, I crave for results, quick results. I put flowers that looks like full sun, but they all burn. I've tried flowers that develop in shade. They died during a rainstorm. I also dumped some fast-growing lawn seed, and it developed into a patchy disaster. Does that sound familiar? Comment below if you ever had a gardening failure. Be sincere. All of us have been there. Then I found something that totally changed everything. One thing we need to know before we discuss best plant is your growing circumstances, your yard. Throughout the day, do you have sunlight or shadow from nearby trees or dim corner with almost no light? Don't start to worry if it's shady. Shade lovers blooms around even without actual sunlight. Some of the very finest. Elegant, air purifying, and incredibly low maintenance peace. Impatiens grow like crazy in shade. They are forgiving and boom like mad. Aesthubes are like feathers that magically brighten dark corners. Let's trade ideas. Tell me in the comments which aspect of your yard requires the most attention. Sun, shadow, privacy. Speed will be discussed now. Should you be impatient like me and desire green? Say, yesterday, try this. Fast-growing grass seeds such as perennial red grass. Better still, search for the fastest developing lawn seed mix, including Kentucky blue grass and Fischl for thick coverage. You will observe sprouts in 710 days. Water it and always it will boom. Choose fast scrubs for privacy like arborvitae, privet fast sculpture able, or hydrangeas, a personal favorite that provide privacy and flowers. And if you're looking for something really fast for a burst of beauty, in autumn, you have to work to plant tulips. Growing tulips, it's like magic tricks. Bury the buds and hold out for the major spring surprise. Who else, by the way, is fixated with tulips? Indicate yourself in the comments below. After many years of testing, which is the finest plant to cultivate in a garden? It varies. However, if you have to pick one, it would be hydrangeas. The rationale behind this is it comes for both sunlight and shade. It explodes with color all summer. It functions as a flowering shrub suited for full sun or shade-thriving bush. It turns privacy into art piece. Hydrangeas provides you versatility, beauty, and thrive in almost any American zone. And when paired with trees that grow quickly for shade like maple or river porch, you have a dream garden in the work. Gardening is essentially storytelling, rather than just planting. Each flower, each blade of grass, every shaded knot is a chapter in the narrative of your garden. And what is a favorite plant? If it fits your space, it gives you pleasure. It makes you laugh every time you go outside. So here, this is your homework. Share one garden objective for this year below. Do you want more privacy? And if you like this video, please give this thumbs up and share it with your buddy. So please enjoy your gardening journey. Thank you.